It's time to get started. Get it? It's a starter. Welcome, Simple Run. This episode is going to be going over the overall design of the LS PC that I'm designing. So don't forget to subscribe, because I've also got the B1 build coming up soon with 11th gen Intel. So that could be some fun videos as well. Now, to get to the LS computer I've been designing. Now, the whole goal is to basically cram a mini ITX and a water-cooled GPU inside of an LS motor. Now, it is half scale, as you can see from my oil pan, and a majority of it will be 3D printed. The whole idea came from seeing the 400mm radiators that AlphaCool offers. So I'm going to have that up front in a radiator support with two 200mm Noctua fans. And then I'm going to put basically the motherboard on top of the block inside of it all. So you won't really see the PC. You'll just see the engine. Now, another thing I have is I have one of EK's flat reservoirs on the firewall. That way I can put kind of a greenish liquid in and make it look like antifreeze. I'm trying to set it up to where the hoses actually maneuver similar to what you would see in your engine. Now, another thing I have set up as well is a display on top of the firewall that I'm going to work towards making look similar to a dash. So that'll have probably 4 different specs of what I need when I'm running. So something like CPU temp and GPU temp and kind of your standards. There will also be the power supply on the firewall, so all of your access points will be behind the firewall. So you can then just butt it up to your wall with your cables coming out there. There are still some design features I have to add. So I don't have a way to properly mount the graphics card yet. So I'm working through that. It will be up in the intake. I have 8 40mm Noctua fans, each set to come out the exhaust. Now, the other thing I need to figure out though is I need to get cooling into that area as well, so I can get some cool air coming. So I'm also trying to work out the best way of getting some air into the intake. And then, of course, once the design's done, which I've got a couple parts printed of stuff that's done, I will then have to go through and, glue parts together, body filler, paint, primer, and really get, a nice looking project as well. So this is going to be something I'll be working on over the next couple months, and I'll keep you guys along too. So again, don't forget to subscribe. And let me know what it is you guys are looking for too. If you guys want how I'm gluing the parts together, what I'm using, how I'm doing the body filler steps, let me know in the comments down below. And I think I'm just going to leave this one as a short and sweet video. So stay tuned for more, and thanks for all the support.